I know what he's doing. He's bringing me to Surfin Bird, isn't he? Right, here we go. We're going to have a look at Surfin Bird. Don't think I'm going to attempt this drop today. Let's have a look. So it would need a little bit of a push, I think. You can see that. Oh, there's another one just here. Let's have a look, shall we? So you could probably go down there if you... Yeah, I don't think this one's too bad. Okay, we are surfing birds. Whoa. Just a couple of little rooty drops, nothing too sinister. What's this? Okay, so another nice slab. Can roll to the left of that. Probably just needs a little bit of a push to get over the top. Oh, here we go. Nice tight berm. Oh, this is a bit like the Merthyr Rocks one. Okay. Oh, it's getting a bit... Wowzers. Oh my goodness, I do not remember this. So, just to give you a bit of history, I first attempted this trail maybe 2-3 years ago when I just started mountain biking. I was way better and more confident than I am now. Now this isn't too bad actually, this doesn't look too bad, but I think you do need a bit of speed. Here he comes. Just move out of his way. You can do this, this is easy, I just didn't know what it was. So let's see if I can get down here. Back up, back up. Oh, I don't like the look of it, mind. It's going to be easier to ride down than it is to walk. Okay, so I know there's something around this corner. Oh, this is nice. Nice big berms. Coming around the hillside. Here we go. This is the bit. Well, so they tell me that just with a little push, yeah, not today, I don't think. I mean, that's it. If you can see, need to do a bit more practice on the drops before I'm brave enough to try that push. Whoa, did not know if that was going to work out or not. Ooh, okay. Yeah, a bit of speed and that would be okay. What's this? That's okay. Oh yeah, okay, this one too. So again, a bit of a push. Oh, that's just a pedal. Oof. So again, not as bad as it looks. A bit of speed, a bit of a push, and I think we'd get over that. But maybe not today. Sounds like somebody coming. Oh yeah, so every feature I've got off so far. Again, a little push. Whoa. Laura. Hi. Oh, that's my little friend. I just met on e-bike Smile. James. He recognised me. Holding him up on the trail. Push. Well, what's going on here? So I had a little go on Surfin Bird and I was pretty rubbish. No, let's not put it that way. Let's say I'm not quite ready for that trail yet. Pretty much stopped on every feature, even though there were some that I could have definitely done, but just wanting to have a look. Self-preservation, you know. mtb.laura signing out. Bike Park Wales was brilliant again today. Really good fun. Surfin Bird did beat me, not quite there yet, but it's all progression. It's coming along nicely. Can't wait to come back here again. See you soon.
Nice.